Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you love shopping experience that feels tailor-made just for you. Today I'm going to show you how to use Temu for personalized shopping recommendations so you can find exactly what you love without the endless scrolling. Let's get started. First, open up the app and make sure that you create or log in with your account. In my case, I use Facebook for that matter. You can use Facebook and Google, all right? And after you log in, browse and interact, right? The more you browse, click, or save items to your favorites, the smarter Temu gets because they save the history for your searches. You can find it on you, right? Or me, our profile icon, and find right here history, and you're gonna be able to find your browsing history, and Temu will target those kind of products, right? Next, you can use For You tab to find right here the apps that you browse before, and you can basically see which one is recommended for you, right? You can find right here recommended, women's lingerie and lounge. You can find cell phone accessories. This is for algorithm, of course, algorithm purposes. And you can find right here in the browsing history your items that you saved, or basically any kind of app, any kind of product that you want to buy, right? And next, take advantage of search filters. You can just go ahead and type search at the top, and you can type, let's say, phone, right? And you can say right here phone, and then hit search, and you can filter your search when searching for items. You can use filters to refine your results. Once Temu notices your preferences, for example, your size, color choices, price range, right here you can sort by price low to high, high to low, category, color, material, and so on. It will start suggesting similar products tailored just for you. And next, save your products. All right, make sure to use the products to save it in your history, or you can save it on your card. You can just go ahead and add this product to your card, and you're gonna be able to find it right here saved in your card, waiting for you to pick it up, right? Or you can just find it in your history. Click on you at the bottom right. You're gonna see right here history, and you're gonna find the products that you search for in Temu. All right. Next, enable notifications. Right. Here's a pro tip. Turn on notifications for personalized updates. You can go ahead right here and see that I turned on the notifications. If you want to know how, you can go ahead to your settings and then go to the notifications after you scroll a little bit down, and you need to scroll a little bit down again to find the Temu app. Make sure that you allow notifications at the top. All right, and there you have it. With just a few steps, you can turn Temu into your personal shopping assistant. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to like and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another tip. Happy shopping, and I will see you in the next video.